I stopped buying bread after I found this amazing recipe. Start by removing the seeds from 1/4 of a kabocha pumpkin. Then peel all of it and cut it into smaller pieces. Now transfer them to a large saucepan. Add a cinnamon stick, enough water to cover them. Turn on the heat at high power and let them cook for 15 minutes. After this indicated time, the pumpkin has already cooked through. Fill half of a 240 milliliter cup with this cooking water and remove the pumpkin pieces from the water. After doing this, in a blender, add the pumpkin pieces we just cooked, 2 eggs, half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk, half a cup of the pumpkin cooking water, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 pinch of salt, and blend everything together very well until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right blend. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add half a teaspoon of unsalted butter and stir until melted. Then add some of the mixture we made earlier and fry until golden on both sides. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now. Type that recipe and download it. This is the right point. Repeat this process with all the mixture. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Finish by adding honey to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.